get the gist of this. You can explore your horizons for other countries as well. So, over to you guys. Get to know more about
Hi, sir.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Rajat Gupta and I'm here representing Edu Global. We have 7 universities with us, which is one is GBS Malta, GBS Dubai. We have Sheila International University, which has 4 campuses across the world. One is in Tampa, which is in the US. 3 of the campuses are in Europe. One is in Germany, Paris, and France. We have GBS Malta, which gives up to 35% to 40% scholarship all across our courses, and you get 75% of the fee refunded once you start working with any of our university, especially in Malta. So please do come and apply with KC Overseas and Amsa. Thank you.
Thank you so much. पीछे जूम करते करते पीछे आ जाए एक मिनट पीछे
Monica Babur. I am the director for India for Southern Utah University. Southern Utah University is a public, fully accredited university in USA, in Utah. Utah is the state, like any student who is looking for some natural beauty and all, and where we are located. It's that, the less crowded place and world's best backyards also. Students who are looking for the accredited programs like in business, aviation, STEM programs, nursing, agriculture, these are the programs which are most popular and all. With our tuition fees and living cost, if students are eligible, we have a very good scholarships also. If on time they are applying, we have a priority deadlines. We have a trimester system, you can say, fall, summer and spring intake. Students who apply early, we are offering them the application fee waiver also. We have a hybrid programs, like students can complete their program in a fast track. Instead of 4 years of bachelor's degree, they can complete in 3 years also. We have a master's programs, STEM programs are online also available, and on campus MBA programs, you name the program, we have the program. So if you would like to go abroad, USA for further education, accredited programs and all, meet us at KC Overseas Education, Amritsar. Thank you.
सामने देखेगा अपना नाम तक.
My name is Onam Dhawan and I am representing Coventry University. It's a UK university, it's a global university, not even international. We have campuses all across the globe, and currently we are just promoting campuses, and we have 600 plus programs. We got 6 intakes, we got up to 6,000 of the scholarship for the undergraduate students. And when we talk about the postgraduate, we have 2,500 scholarship for the postgraduate students. And it's just to help out the student who can plan their education with a little bit fees, with their tuition fees. आज की बात करें तो KC Overseas ने जो अपना event organize किया है, which is amazing. I met a lot of students who are planning to go abroad, and they are looking for multiple different programs. And yeah, so whoever is planning for further education in their international journey, please reach out to KC Overseas. They wanna support you well.
हम बच्चों की ज़्यादा इंक्वायरी क्या थी?
बच्चों की ज़्यादा इंक्वायरी थी नर्सिंग प्रोग्राम से रिलेटेड, अकाउंटेंसी से रिलेटेड. सो बच्चे डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स की तरफ आजकल उनका ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. किसी टाइम में सिर्फ बिजनेस हुआ करता था, आज नर्सिंग में भी इंटरेस्ट है, अकाउंटेंसी में भी इंटरेस्ट है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी, फैशन, आजकल उनके नए इंटरेस्ट है, बिकॉज वी आर सीइंग difference in every other day, so that's why their interest is involved.
My name is Chetna Saini and I represent University of Manitoba. University of Manitoba is a Canadian university which is located in the province of Manitoba in the city of Winnipeg. अगर आप मैप देखते हैं कनाडा का तो मैनिटोबा एक ऐसा प्रोविंस है जो बिल्कुल सेंटर में लोकेटेड है, and we are a U15 university which is a very high accreditation. We offer more than 100 bachelor degree programs in almost every aspect. We have more than 10 faculties, and we are also offering scholarships and co-op to our students, and that too paid co-op. Right now I'm getting students who are interested in business, engineering, arts like psychology. Psychology is quite popular among international students, and every student is different, so you never know which student comes up with which program. We are also open for fall 2026 intake, so registrations are open. If you want to apply for fall 26, you are most welcome. And earlier we used to need mathematics as a mandatory subject for University of Manitoba, but now if you have scored 80% as an average of 4 academic courses in your grade 12 and you have 70% in each academic course, we do not require mathematics. And also if you apply before 31st of December, we are giving on-campus guaranteed housing, and also you can apply free of cost for on-campus. And also the last update, if you apply before 1st of December for fall intake, you can be eligible for one of our 5 tuition prizes, that's up to $5,000. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you at our campus. Is offering one of the lowest international tuition fee structure in Canada, and Winnipeg, where our campuses are located, which is also the capital city of Manitoba, offers a very low cost of living. It is offering around 42% less cost of living as compared to other cities and other provinces of Canada. So altogether, studying at University of Manitoba is a complete package. First of all, you are getting a U15 university, which in itself is a very high accreditation, and then we are offering you a bachelor degree program with co-op, and that too paid. We do have 4-year bachelor degrees as well as 3-year bachelor degrees, and with that we are offering one of the lowest tuition fee, and then you are going to study in a city that has a low cost of living. After that, if you wish to settle in Canada, then we have our own PNP program named as Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program that will help students settle in Canada. Thank you.